sign that screams, this is the headquarters of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. An automatic Kalashnikov-wielding man stands at the gate. There are other armed men behind these high walls and barbed wires. Located 30 kilometers from Pakistan's second largest city, Lahore. For the first time ever, we take you inside these forbidding gates. Headlines Today takes you inside the headquarters of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa, the front organization for the Lashkar-e-Toiba.
I'm standing at the barricade in Muridke, known worldwide to be the headquarters of the Lashkar-e-Toiba. This road here leads straight into the heart of the terror factory where Ajmal Kasab, the lone surviving terrorist of 26/11, was trained under the watchful gaze of mastermind Hafiz Saeed.
This is the first time ever that an Indian news channel has crossed the fortified barricade at Muridke. Muridke is acknowledged worldwide for being the headquarters of Hafiz Mohammad Saeed, the professor of terror. Hafiz Saeed has been declared an international terrorist by the United Nations. Security Council Resolution 1267 passed in December 2008 bans this man and his organization, the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. For a few months after 26/11, there was a complete ban on the Jamaat. But now Hafiz Saeed and the Jamaat are back, and how? The JUD headquarters is spread over 75 sprawling acres in Muridke, a mere 30 kilometers from Lahore. The Pakistan government promised to shut down the JUD, but that has still not happened. Listen very carefully to what the government-appointed administrator has to say about the Jamaat's involvement in running the JUD headquarters.
They are very much here. They are the ones who have also accompanied us here today, and they continue to have influence within the complex.
नहीं, इन्फ्लुएंस उस हद तक तो नहीं आप कह सकती. ऑफ कोर्स ये जब जनवरी 2009 में हमने टेक ओवर किया है तो यहाँ पे चलो हज़ारों नहीं तो सैकड़ों की तादाद में लोग जो है ना वो काम कर रहे थे ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द गवर्नमेंट विद वन स्ट्रोक ऑफ पेन आप उनको स्लैश ऑफ कर दें, ले ऑफ कर दें और नई रिक्रूटमेंट्स कर लें. सो सिस्टम जो है ना वो कंटिन्यूसली हमने ग्रेजुअली ट्रांजिशन स्टेज में है उसमें.
You just heard the man whose job it is to enforce the ban on the JUD admit to Headlines Today on camera that even today the Jamaat-ud-Dawa elements are operating at the Muridke headquarters. Even though the Jamaat-ud-Dawa tries very hard to pass off this compound as a charitable institute, but talk within the compound still revolves very much around terror. The man coming up on your screen is the chief spokesperson of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. Listen carefully.
जब बैन नहीं हुआ था लश्कर-ए-तैयबा तब आप किस किस्म की सपोर्ट करते थे उनको?
यही जो सपोर्ट होती है इखलाकी हमायत उनकी कर रहे थे, हम भी अब भी कर रहे हैं कि अभी हम ये कहते हैं कि भारत को मकबूजा कश्मीर जो है छोड़ना चाहिए, कश्मीरियों से पूछना चाहिए.
जब बैन नहीं हुआ था लश्कर-ए-तैयबा तब आप किस किस्म की सपोर्ट करते थे उनको?
यही जो सपोर्ट होती है इखलाकी हमायत उनकी कर रहे थे, हम भी अब भी कर रहे हैं कि अभी हम ये कहते हैं कि भारत को मकबूजा कश्मीर जो है छोड़ना चाहिए, कश्मीरियों से पूछना चाहिए.
The JUD spokesperson admits that they continue to ideologically support the Lashkar-e-Toiba. This is exactly the poison that's fed to young impressionable minds when they come to attend classes in Muridke. Poison that later takes the form of Ajmal Amir Kasab and others who go on to wage war against India.